If you're a real estate investor, you gotta know where the deals are. All right, here's a really special video for you today. I'm actually on location at MTC Factory Outlet, and we're going in to buy all the appliances for a flip that we're doing right now in Bowmanville, Ontario. If you're a real estate investor, you gotta know where the deals are. And this is a place that has amazing deals. So let's go check out the appliances. Okay, so this is like one of my hidden secrets. MTC is probably one of the largest factory appliance dealers in Ontario. They have relationships with all the brand names and they get a lot of the stuff that has little scratches and ticks on it. For a real estate investor, you're gonna save thousands of dollars if you work with this company. If you're anywhere in Ontario, this is where you should be buying your appliances. Let's go look at some stuff. So here's what I'm talking about. Look at the size of this Samsung refrigerator. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's brand new. It's got, a built-in water system. It's got a huge freezer. That fridge and freezer at retail is probably almost twice that price. The reason that it's here is there's probably a little defect on it somewhere. And most times the defects that I find are on the sides of it where you wouldn't even see that stuff. This is the type of equipment that we're going to get here in the pricing. And then this is where your best fridges are. So you look at this, a Frigidaire fridge with a water and ice in it for $1,300. An LG fridge for $1,000. This is all brand new equipment. It's just minor defects when they came back. $1,400 with a water dispenser on it. This is the Samsung fridge we actually have in our office. We paid the same price for it, $1,300, $1,000. Just really, really great prices for everything that they have here. Now, because it's a factory outlet, they only have a 30-day warranty on everything, but I've literally bought over 100 appliances for our different projects from here, and we've never had any issue with the equipment. All right, let's take a look at some stoves, same idea. I like to buy electric stoves. When I'm doing this, it's just easier when we're selling them quickly, but we're talking about a flat top stove here that you'd normally pay, I want to say $2,000 for, $2,500 for $1,000. Beautiful appliances, all kinds of amazing stuff. So the coolest part about this is I was in here for 9 minutes. I worked with Stacy, one of the girls, and we got the fridge, the stove, and the dishwasher, all stainless steel fronts, all brand new equipment with minor scuffs on the side. And we paid just over $2,000 for these 3 appliances. All you have to do is give them a call. They'll tell you what they've got here ahead of time. And if you don't live close to MTC, you can actually just go to their website. I'll put the link to their website in the notes from this video, and you can just call them and tell them what you need. Do me a favor though, tell them Ken Dunn sent you. They might give you a bit of a better deal. I bought over 100 appliances for them and they really take care of me here. So MTC is your one-stop shop for any of the appliances for your rental properties.